Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Claude to n8n. So let's get started. Start by logging into your n8n workspace and creating a new workflow. Next, you'll need an Anthropic API key. So you gotta open a new browser tab and sign into your Anthropic console account. Next, you gotta navigate to the API key section and create a new key if needed. Then you're going to copy that key and you'll use this key to authenticate n8n with Claude. Now you're going to return to n8n and click the plus icon to add a node. You're going to search for Anthropic and select the Anthropic node from the list. When the node opens up, first of all, you need to select an action. For a basic Claude prompt, you're going to set the resource to text and choose the message a model action. This is the action used to send prompts to Claude and received responses. After that, you're going to create a new Anthropic credential and paste your API key. Next, you're going to select the Claude model you like to use, and in the message field, you can enter the prompt you want Claude to process. You can also add a trigger node for testing purposes. A manual trigger works perfectly. Then you're going to connect trigger node to Anthropic node and save the workflow. Click execute workflow to run the test. If everything is configured correctly, Claude will process your prompt and return a response directly inside the Anthropic node. You can then connect additional nodes such as Gmail, Slack, Google Sheets, Notion, or Airtable to build more advanced automations. If you're creating an AI agent workflow instead, you can use an AI agent node and connect an Anthropic chat model node as the model provider rather than using the standard Anthropic node alone. And that's it. That's how you can connect Claude to n8n and start using Claude AI in your automated workflows.